Hello guys, welcome to Nest Academy YouTube channel. In this video I want to share with you step-by-step procedure on how you can connect your wallet on Nodepay. If you are mining Nodepay with us, you might have noticed the wallet connection feature and it's only available on desktop, but don't worry, after this video you'll be able to connect your wallet using your mobile phone device. All you have to do is to pay attention. You have to pay very much attention. This is kind of technical. You have to pay attention. Watch this video to the end and you'll be able to connect your wallet successfully and receive your Nodepay airdrop. Before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. First thing you need to do is to install Phantom Wallet extension because we are connecting Solana wallet to Nodepay. Okay, so I will open a new tab. I'll click here, select new tab. I'll click on extension here. Remember, the browser that we are using for this is Mrs. Browser. So if you don't have Mrs. Browser, go to Play Store, download Mrs. Browser. That's the browser that we are using. Also, if you are not mining Nodepay yet, in the description of this video is the direct link to this airdrop. Click on it, sign up and start mining immediately. Okay guys, I will scroll down to Solana. Okay, this Phantom, I'll click on it. Okay, just like the same way we install Nodepay extension, we'll click on add to Chrome here. You can see add to Chrome. Let me zoom it. Add to Chrome. I'll click on it. I'll click OK. The extension will download. Okay guys, the extension have downloaded and open itself automatically. If your own did not open automatically, you click on this extension logo here. You select Phantom. Okay, it will open this dashboard. You create a new wallet or you import an existing wallet. If you have a Solana wallet that is in your Phantom wallet, you can copy it and import it. But if you are confused on what to do, simply create a new wallet. When you create a new wallet, you write down your seed phrase and save it safely. So for me, I have Solana wallet before, so I want to import the one I have already. I'll click I already have a wallet. I'm importing with seed phrase, so I will select the first one. Then I'll paste the seed phrase I copied. Okay, I've pasted the seed phrase. I will import. I'll click on continue. I'll enter password that I will use to unlock this wallet anytime I want to do transaction. So I agree to their terms. Then I'll continue. Get started. All right. After setting the password, this is the Solana wallet I just imported. Okay, this is the Solana wallet I just imported. Now the next step is to turn your mobile device into a computer. So how do we do that? You go to your phone settings. Please, you have to pay attention. I'll click on about phone. About phone. I'll click on detail info and spec. Then this place you are seeing MIUI version. I'll tap on it 7 times and it will activate developers option. Okay, but in some phones, when you click on settings, it will show you my phone, not about phone like we see here. When you click on that my phone, it will show you some details. You scroll down and click on build number. Tap on it 7 times. So this place you are seeing MIUI version, I'll click on it 7 times and it will activate developers option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the instruction. I'm 2 steps away from activating developer. Okay, we are now in developers option. After that, you go back to settings, then you search for developer. You see developer option, you click on it, then you scroll down. scroll down gently. Scroll down. You click on smallest suite. You can see smallest suite. You click on it. Remember the figure that is there. For my own is 378. 378. You change it to 700. After changing it, you click on OK. You will notice some changes in your screen. The writing there becomes smaller. Okay, so you go back to Mrs. browser, the browser that we are using. This Mrs. browser. Okay, then you open a new tab and log in your Nodepay. I'll open a new tab. I'll enter app.nodepay, app.nodepay.ai. Okay guys, the next thing you need to do is to put your phone in auto rotation. Okay, so I will draw down the screen. Okay, this is it. Lock orientation. For my phone they call it orientation. In some phone is rotation. So my own is locked. I will unlock it so that I will be able to rotate my phone. Okay, this is my account now, is now signed in. So I will rotate my screen. After rotating, I will now click on earnings here. You can see earnings. I'll click on earnings. Then you can see we now have option to connect our wallet. The first option there is verify your email. That one is verified. Connect your wallet. I'll connect my wallet now. If your email is not verified yet, you can proceed and verify your email. So I'll click on connect. Now it is showing the options of wallets that are detected. This is the Phantom extension wallet that we just installed, so I'll click on it. Then I'll click on connect. The wallet is connected successfully. Okay, the next thing is to verify. I'll click on verify. I'll click on confirm. They're asking me to sign a message, and the message is signed now. I'll click on it again. Okay, after wallet confirmation, there is no need to change wallet address. Connect to your account. It is your responsibility to ensure that your choosing wallet is correct. Okay, email with link will be sent to my registered email, so I'll click on send email. So they will send a code to my email, which I will use to confirm this wallet connection, and it will be permanent. They have sent the email, so I will draw down, click on it, rotate my screen. This is it. I'll tap on this confirm your wallet, so I'll be able to copy the link and I'll paste it in Mrs. browser as well. So I'll copy the link. I'll go back to Mrs. browser and open a new tab, paste the link. Okay, you can see the wallet is now verified. I will now check in the Nodepay again if it is verified there. Let me refresh and see if it is verified. You can see it your wallet is now verified. That is all. It's not hard, it's quite simple. Okay, you just have to pay attention to this video. Okay guys, now that the wallet is connected and verified, we need to go back to setting and change the bandwidth to original number it was, because the alphabet here becomes tinier, so we have to take it back to normal. For now, the wallet is connected. Okay, we have finished our work with wallet connection using mobile device. So you must not use computer before you can connect your wallet address. Please, if you have a question, make sure you drop it in the comment of this video. Drop the question there and I'll be able to guide you further. So this is my phone settings. Okay guys, this is the developers option. If peradventure your own closed without you being aware, you just have to go back to phone settings. You search for developer. When you search for developer, it will show. Then you scroll down to smallest width and change the figure to back to normal. My own was 378, right? Yes, 378. See, it's smallest width. So I normally set my own at 385. So the phone will return back to normal. This is it. The phone has returned back to normal. Then you click on this, scroll up, click on this green button to off the developers option. You have finished with the developers option, you don't need it again. Okay, so this is it. Okay guys, your wallet is connected, everything is set for the airdrop. Please, if you gain value from this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Share it on all your social media platforms. See you in the next one. Thank you.